Hi! We're back in the car and I'm overheating as usual. So, we're not vlogging, well we are kind of vlogging today. I guess I'm starting the video here, so hi. We're running more errands today. I just seem to be having a lot to do. And my camera's not straight, by the way, and I haven't zoomed in properly, so it's not the best setup right now. But basically, today's video is gonna be a little last minute, like, packing kind of video, I guess. So I'm leaving tomorrow to go see my sister. I'll be gone for like 5 days-ish. So I need to pack everything. I also need to edit a video tonight. I also need to go to get my eyes checked, which is where I'm going right now. I just realized my my amethyst is kind of in the way as well. So I'm going for an eye test now. That's where I'm going, and then I need to buy a couple. Why are people stopping literally in the middle of the road? Idiots. Anyway, and then I need to go to, may or may not have just run a red light, but you know what, it's fine. And then I need to go to my grandma's because she's made some food and we always want food. And we're gonna be home and then we're gonna start packing. So we've got a few things to do before. I haven't decided if I want coffee or not. So that's basically the plan. So I guess this is the intro of the video as well. So grab your beverage. I haven't got mine, but I might go get a coffee, so I should have my beverage soon. And yeah, relax and enjoy the video. I will probably see you. Why are people so stupid today? Go. Move. I'll probably see you in a little while. Probably once I've actually gone and got my eyes tested. So, well, it's my contact lenses, obviously. So yes, I will. I love it when people stare. But I'll probably see you once I've got my eyes tested and once I've been shopping for a few things. So I'll see you in a little bit. Again, sorry about the AC, but boy, it's too hot. I need some AC on right now. Anyway, bye. Hi, we're back. So I ended up not actually vlogging while I was out because I was just an absolute hot mess. But I went shopping, of course, and then I've literally come back now. I'm hoping you can't hear my music playing in the background, because then the video is going to get demonetized. So I'll show you what I got. I only got a few bits, to be fair, just stuff that I needed. So I got some baby wipes because they're always helpful. I got biodegradable ones as well. I just got Superdrug ones and they are biodegradable baby wipes, which is great. So I am going to take those with me. I picked up the wrong one from my room, but basically I got another shampoo, which this is the one that I use. I love Maui. This is like my favorite like shampoo conditioner kind of brand. I get the green one, which is like the deep sea kelp one, and it's for color protection because obviously the bottom half kind of my hair is colored, so I do get the color protection one. And then it's just, it smells really good. It smells so nice. So I got another shampoo because it was pretty low. And then this. I didn't need to get this, but I did it anyway. I got another Ride or Die lip balm from e.l.f. I got the berry one, Boss Berry. It's this one. I already have 3 of them. I've got the clear one, obviously. I have the clear one, and then I have the peach one, and then the Tough Cookie, which is like the brownie nude one. So I was like, you know what, let's just get a pink one. So I got the pink one because I think I'm just gonna take these. I don't really want to be wearing lipstick and lip liners and stuff. I think while I'm there, I think I just wanted something a bit more natural, so I'm gonna take those. I mean, I've still got lipstick, a bit of like eaten and drank, so half my lips come off, but let's try it. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, this one smells the nicest. This smells like a literal sweets. Looks nice. It's not as intense as it looks like on this. Anyway, I got another one of those, which I'm literally in the middle of packing my makeup, so everything's packed in there so far. I've pretty much done all my makeup, actually. I've just thrown that in there. I got another Loki book. I got the second one because I'm like halfway through the other one, so I think by the time I come back I'll probably be almost finished the first one. So I got my second Loki book. I got a electric razor. I don't know, I just wanted to try it, so I got that. And then I went to the Body Shop and they said I had some birthday thing But I wanted like a body lotion. I just wanted a new body lotion, like a new scent. So I got the Japanese Cherry Blossom Strawberry Kiss body lotion, which smells so nice. It just smells like literal sweets. I'm gonna bathe in this. It smells really good. I wish you could smell things through the camera, but you can't. But I got that, and then because it was my birthday, I got like some great discount on it, and it was like £3 or £4, so that's great. I need to pack this actually because I'm going to take that with me. Now we're packing the makeup brushes because I've done pretty much all my makeup. I think that's everything I want to take. So makeup wise, I'm done. Now I'm just doing like tools, so that needs to go. I always use this. It's like the best thing like to take when you travel, and it's from Morphe, I'm pretty sure, and it's just like a giant like a brush case, but then obviously when you're traveling you can then split it like this. So then like I put my eye brushes in there, and then you've got your face brushes, so it's just easy like when you're there as well. So it's great. So I'm literally just splitting all my brushes up at the moment. I probably should have cleaned my brushes. I was actually going to do that today, but it's literally like almost 6 p.m. and I've got a lot to do still. I still need to pack all of my clothes. I need to shower. I need to redo my nails. I need to prep my skin like for tomorrow morning. Edit. I have to edit this whole video as well. Not this one. Yes, this one. I got really upset. My mum just tried to help me find it. I wanted to find my skincare case that I usually take. I think it's from the brand Elemis. It was like one of their skincare cases, and it's really cute. I think I've shown it in like my last packing video whenever I last went away, which is probably this time last year, but I can't find it anywhere and I don't understand where I put it. So I'm just going to use this Too Faced bag, which is actually really cute. It's huge as well. My friend got me this for my birthday with a bunch of my favorite Too Faced stuff, which was great. So I'm gonna get all my skincare. So I've got a face wash in the bathroom that I'm gonna get, so I'll get all that. Toner wise, I'm trying to take less things obviously, so I'm not gonna take like my toner and then my serum and like do it like that. We're going Fenty because it's a toner and a serum all in one. Then what do we use? Eye cream. Not gonna lie, I haven't been doing my skincare properly for like 2 weeks. My under eyes have gone very dark again because I haven't been using my eye cream, but hopefully while I'm over there I'll get back into my skincare routine. So I've got that. So I'm gonna take this. This is really good. It's the Weleda Skin Food. It's a very, very intense moisturizer, but it's really good. So I'm gonna take that in a little tube as well, so that's good. Well, actually, it's like a very intense moisturizer. You know what? I'm not risking it. I'm not risking my skin acting up. So I'm gonna take my hemp oil from Bad Habit. And then I think SPF, and obviously it's a moisturizer as well, so I'll take my Fenty one. Okay, then lip, like for night, I'm gonna take the Too Faced Hangover Pillow Balm. This came in this case, and I actually really like it. It smells really good as well. It's just like a lip treatment for overnight. So that's going in there. Oh, my fan. I almost forgot to take my fan. I'm gonna take, yeah, I'm gonna take my whole ass friend's mirror with me, but I'm gonna pack that separately. I think that's it, to be honest. I think skincare wise, that's pretty much all I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm gonna try and sort all this out, and then gonna try and pack some clothes for my suitcase because I haven't organized any of it, and it's making me a bit stressed now. So I'll go have my meltdown, and then I'll see you in a little bit when I've figured out what the fuck I'm doing. I am so tired. It's almost 7. Okay, it's not even that late. It's almost 7, but like I think I'm done. I think I'm done. I need to like take my makeup off and go for a shower because I'm ready to go to bed, but I think I'm done. Okay, literally going for 5 days, and this is so full, but you know what, it's fine. Actually, it's not that heavy, to be honest. I feel like most of it was literally taken up from like my skincare. My makeup has taken up half the space, but we're packed. I don't know what else to show you. You know what, I was gonna show you all the outfits that I chose, and then just was like, you know what, I can't be arsed, so I just packed it all. There wasn't really much to the whole packing part of the video, but at least I'm showing you what I put my makeup in. I guess that's something. I need to change my nail colour because, well, I don't need to. They're okay, to be honest. They're just scratched off like a little bit, so I'm gonna change. I need to do my bedding actually. I need to change my bedding. I need to do my nails. Yeah, and then, oh, one of my friends got me Hold on, this lighting's really bad. But I'm gonna do a face mask after, I think, with my mum. But I'm gonna try out this new mask that one of my friends gave me for my birthday. She sent me like a little package. So it's from the brand Skin Glow London. I've never actually tried the brand. I've never heard of the brand actually, but these look so fancy. Like, hello. I've got an eye mask that's got, oh, we've fallen. It's got turmeric, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and then the face mask is the same. So I'm going to try these, and I'm probably then going to go to bed because I'm tired, and the trains, we're getting the train there, and it's not that early, it's at like 9 to be honest, but still. I guess that's it. So you'll probably see this video when I'm back home, to be honest, because I've got one video scheduled. I'm gonna edit, oh, I need to edit a video tonight as well before I go to sleep. I'm gonna try and edit another video and get that kind of scheduled as well, but we don't know if that's gonna happen. But anyway, I'm gonna go. So thank you so much for watching the video. I know this was a bit of a mess. It was just like kind of a vlog, but I don't know how to film pack with me videos. I don't know how people film them, but anyway. I couldn't even pack off my toiletries because I haven't gone for a shower yet, so I'm gonna go do that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you hopefully in a more put together video than this, because this was kind of a mess, so